I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to fix BBC is not recognized as an internal or external command. So if I go on this command prompt, right there, BBC. So this message that I'm getting there. So how to fix this? So for this one, let's go on this C drive. Then you need to press W. This is here. You can get Windows, or then press here M. Then you can get there Microsoft.NET Framework 64. Then this you can get here version 4. And if you press here V, then you can get this BBC executable file is there, and this all. So this path you need to set there. So let's copy and right there edit system environment variable. Then environment variable, go to the path. Let's click on this edit new and save this path. So this path has the BBC executable file. So BBC executable file. Now thereafter let's close this all, and now opening this command prompt again, right there BBC. Then you can get this all. So this all term you can get. So Visual Basic compiler version 14 for Visual Basic 2022. So this compiler is there and the path that has been set it there. After that you can write execute any kind of Visual Basic code there. So this is how we can fix BBC is not recognized as an internal or external command.